8 minus 2 multiply 8 minus 2. Let's solve this problem. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 6 times 6 is 36. But this is wrong way. Now let's do this with the correct way of order of operations using PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division. These are in same order. A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction, and these are also in same order. So now first of all we'll solve bracket. So 8 minus 2, here 8 minus 2 is 6. Now multiplication. 8 minus 2 times 6 is 12. Now we'll do subtraction. 8 take away 12 is minus 4. Thanks for watching.